On to Global FX Radio's Market Wrap-Up Show YouTube. I'm your host, Andrew Spanton. December the 10th, 2008. What a day. Man, I gotta tell you, this market, it ain't easy. Up, down, down, up. I do the best I can. That Euro Canada, huh? Oy. Major breakout. The euro dollar, the euro continues to explode against everyone. Euro dollar above 130 is gone. Broken out to the moon, Alice. Say hello to 133.50, I guess. There's only one way to be in this pair. It's long. Euro sterling, unbelievable. To the moon, Alice. Euro Canada, to the moon, Alice. Even Euro Swiss, 156. Everything euro. It's ridiculous. Euro yen, 120.50. And listen to my Global FX Radio broadcast. I go into a rant on it. I just think it's ridiculous what the Europeans, they got so much bank debt. It is ridiculous. They've lent to all the Eastern nations, all the BRICS, and they haven't written down any of them. Whereas the U.S. has written down so much, and it's going to be the '09 disaster. The euro, it's got to be the euro across the board. As they're gonna have to print so many euros to fund these banks and keep them in line. It's going to be a joke, and they are so socialist. The United States is a capitalist society, and they've been forced to do a socialist move. I mean, I got to tell you, Trichet, he really is screwing up by keeping rates this high. I understand the interest rate differential is why it's happening, and there's a flock to the price stability and all this, but prices are going to collapse. Wholesale inventories are collapsing in the U.S. That means they're dumping things on the market. Manufacturing is collapsing in China. Prices demand destruction. I don't know, whatever Trichet's smoking, I sure want some. Anyway, I do think the dollar index, you take a look at this chart, it looks like it's rolling over here. Head and shoulders, left shoulder, head, right shoulder, neckline. We close below. A close below 84.70, and it would look like 83 for sure. And that would send the euro dollar certainly to 133.50. Euro dollar daily chart. Let's take a look. As I speak right now, time is 4:34 p.m. Eastern, so getting close to the close. I don't know what's going to happen, but as of right now, this is a very nice breakout. There's only one way to be, long. I think you played against 129, today's lows. We lose, we lose. We lose 120 pips. If I'm right, say hello to my little friend 132.50. So I think the risk reward in this trade, it looks good. I think it's the right play. Italian industrial production, disaster. French, it doesn't make sense to me. It's stupid, but technically you got to go with it. And they're holding rates. Dollar yen, what the hell do I know? I mean, this thing, I suck in dollar yen. That's all I have to say. Even though I have an 80 price target at the end of the year, I haven't made much money in dollar yen. I made more in sterling yen and euro yen than I made in dollar yen. This thing is just so tough. Again, I defer more to the hourly chart here. And the hourly chart, I think, is very important. I think when we look at the hourly chart, you see a channel line that has not been breached yet. Just about 5 pips today. So I think maybe we make a run. Maybe this dollar yen makes a run. Stock market's been up 10 out of 12 days. I think we'd probably make a run back up to this 90 level. Big spot here if we take it out. That means euro yen's probably going to break out. Triple roll tonight. And I'm looking to sell the strength. I'm not looking to sell this right on 5 o'clock. I'll tell you that. So hopefully you people will get this. Do not sell right at 5 o'clock for triple roll. So looking at dollar yen, the daily, go back up here, 93. I think that's the spot where we're going to look to short it. But sterling dollar on the hourly chart, I have no clue. I mean, look at this. You tell me. Where's it go? Wedge. I guess. Again, euro sterling exploding. Cable, sterling dollar. I think you want to buy. You want to buy these sharp pullbacks as euro sterling explodes. Today, a good example. So really that you don't want to chase cable with euro sterling exploding, and this thing is just going to the moon. Cable again, head and shoulders, descending head and shoulders. Now this looks much worse than the dollar index. So, maybe cable makes a punch up here, tests the top of this shoulder, maybe, and then rolls over. But sterling dollar would have to really take out this whole 150 for me to really get put on its bandwagon. But that's a gorgeous head and shoulder at the lows. With euro sterling exploding, if this euro reverses, cable's going to melt. We got CPI industrial trade orders tonight and the industrial expectations orders tonight. No real big deal there. Expectations, inflation coming out. Again, I think with the euro breaking out, it's going to drag cable with it. And I think you buy the sharp pullbacks. Listen, we break below 146, it's a short. But this head and shoulders certainly doesn't look good. But listen, we take this out, this whole 150 level here, this channel line, top of the shoulders, there could be momentum. This could be a great buy. Now, head and shoulders means something big is coming. So maybe it's to the upside too. Easy. Chart of the day. Oh my goodness. Look at this move. I mean, it's just parabolic. Look at this. Since 2007. The euro. The biggest joke of a currency. No offense to Europeans, but I mean, productivity, GDP, all terrible. Anyway, this thing looks like it's just not the most overvalued currency. Look at this move. Anyway, 65 to 88 euro pound, 2,200 pips, which is really the equivalent to like 4,000 pips. Incredible move. Grinding higher. We're going higher. Where do I see it stopping? Well, we got our channel line here, and it's going to pretty much get there. Just missed it again. So I think we probably push higher here, hit that channel line, and maybe tonight could be the night. And if that's true, if we punch through this channel line, momentum, say hello to 92. This whole 3-day move here, pent up 100 pips above here, certainly get up to 89. I don't know. I mean, this is just... So, big resistance right here. I would be looking for a possible reversal. Should we reach this level up here? But Euro Sterling, Euro Canada. It's Euro Canada now. That sold off a little bit to the close, 83.85. Let's take a look at that daily. Good time. Closing high. I mean, how can you fight this now? Closing high. Even though the shooting star still stands, it just looks like it wants to punch through. And maybe like, double top at 65.20, something like that. Took out the highs here. Why not? Take the highs out again. And if you notice, when it did reverse, it made new highs even after these big reversals. So, looks like it's going higher. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Euro yen. All euro. Look at this. All euro. Euro yen breaking out to the upside. Just a little bit. Channel resistance. At the 30 exponential, 123.50. So this 20 exponential, really a big spot. Euro yen, nice little 7-day breakout here to the upside. Massive wedge. Massive wedge. Usually what happens in a massive wedge, it's a fake out move to one side and then the meltdown. So it looks like the first leg is going to be to the upside, but I think Euro yen, it's going to go higher. Look to buy the pullback. And we got triple roll tonight. But again, I'm going to look to sell double tops, look to make 100 pips, thank you very much, and get out. So not like we're looking for something massive. Sterling yen, daily chart again. Looks terrible. Sterling dollar collapsing into the close. Euro sterling ticking higher into the close. So this cable, cable yen, cable dollar just looks terrible. It's all about the euro. So again, I defer to the hourly chart on sterling yen. Triple roll means we sell it after the close, and I just don't know. I don't know. I'm nervous. I think the euro yen, is the one more. I think if anything, you sell sterling yen on the close and wait on euro yen because this euro dollar is too strong. Again, this hourly chart looks like it could be rolling over. So difficult. Euro sterling exploding. I don't know. Again, I guess the euro yen's going up. Pound down. Andrew Spanton. Sorry I couldn't have been more helpful. Global FX Radio. The only voice you'll ever need Forex that makes you money. Have a good night.